Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change your Roblox display name without waiting for 7 days. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is go to Roblox website. And once you're here, scroll all the way down until you find privacy. Once you're here, scroll all the way down again until you find this blue text that says, "Need more help? Contact support here." So just click on it. So once you're here, it would ask you to fill up some things here. So writing your username or your first name is just optional. So if you want to type them, it is completely up to you. What you're required to type down, however, would be your email address. Once you've typed that down, just retype it right here to confirm. Then below that, select the device you're having the issue by clicking this and finding your device right here. Then, what you need to do next is to select what type of help category you require. So just click this and select How To. It will then give you another thing to select, so just click this and select How To Others. Now, what we need to do is just to write down in detail why we need to change our name without waiting for 7 days. So I would type down a sample right here. You may copy what I would type down, but make sure that you change it a little bit in your own words. So if you have an own reason, you may type that down yourself. Make sure that you would mention in this description that you want to change your name from a display name that you want. So once you're done, just hit submit and hopefully that the Roblox support would change your name as soon as possible. If you find this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful videos like this.